In today's video, I'm going to teach you where to find Grok Unhinged mode. We'll walk through how to get to the official site, what to expect once you're there, and how to guide the assistant's tone using built-in options and a simple prompt. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Grok and press Enter. In the results, look for the official Grok website and click it to open. If you notice sponsored links or lookalike domains, ignore those and choose the main site so you're in the right place and using the current interface. Here's an important note up front. Grok does not offer a separate unhinged mode download or a standalone web page. There isn't a hidden link you can visit to switch it on permanently. Instead, the approach is to use the product's mode controls or a direct prompt to nudge the tone and personality of the assistant. Once you're on the Grok site or app, find mode options. The exact placement can vary by layout, but it's typically close to the chat area or within a settings-style menu. Click Mode Options to open the choices, then select Custom. In the Custom Instructions field, type the word Unhinged. This gives Grok a concise style cue so it knows the vibe you're aiming for. Keep it simple and avoid adding any personal or sensitive information. This field is purely for style and behavior guidance. When you're done, click Save to apply the change. After saving, your conversation should begin to reflect that edgier, more unfiltered tone you requested within the platform's safety boundaries. There's also a quick, conversational way to try it. In the message box, type Switch to Unhinged mode and then click Submit. Many users report that asking directly in the chat can prompt a noticeable shift in how responses are phrased. This isn't unlocking a hidden feature. It's a prompt-based instruction that tells the assistant how to respond. Depending on ongoing updates and safety settings, the intensity of the change can vary, but you should see signs of a more irreverent or playful style if it's accepted. To recap, search for Grok on Google and open the official site. Remember, there's no separate unhinged mode page to download or visit. Instead, open Mode Options, choose Custom, type Unhinged in Custom Instructions, and click Save. Or, if you prefer, simply tell the assistant in chat, switch to Unhinged mode, and submit. That's all you need to explore this style inside Grok.